everyone, hope you all are doing fine. And today we'll be solving a code forces problem, and that is word capitalization. Let us have a look at the problem statement here. Capitalization is writing a word with its first letter as a capital letter. Okay, capitalization is nothing but writing a word with its first letter as a capital letter. Okay, it's as simple as that. And your task is to capitalize the given word. Okay, we have to capitalize the given word. That means we will be given a word. Let us assume this writing, and in this writing we have to make the W capital and we have to return the string. Okay, note that during capitalization all the letters except the first one remains unchanged. Okay, only the first letter will be changing here. And input, a single line contains a non-empty word. Okay, and this word consists of lowercase and uppercase English letter. Okay, we will be getting a word which can be a mix of lowercase and uppercase letters, and the length of word will not exceed 10 to the power of 3. Okay, and output of the given word after capitalization. Okay, we have to print the given word after capitalization, means changing its first letter to the capital letter. And here the sample input is apple and the output is same apple, because the first letter is already capitalized, so the output will be same. Okay, and in the second sample input we have KONJC, where K is a small letter, and in the output we can see we have got the capitalized form. Okay, it is very simple, and we will be discussing the problem solution next. Let us have a look at the problem solution. I'm solving this problem in Java, and I'm creating a scanner object. And then we'll be taking a string input from the user. Fine. Let that be string. Okay, user given string will input. Okay, string input is equals to dot next line. Okay, I have taken the user input here, and now I'll try to capitalize the first letter of a given word. Okay, for that I'll be taking another string. Let this be resulting string res, that will be input string dot we'll be using substring here, and we have to change the 0th index value or 0th index to capital. So I'll be taking 0 to 1, that is less than 1, which is 0, and I'll take the two uppercase method here. This will now change the first, that is 0th index character of the string to uppercase, and the rest remains same, right? So we'll be taking the input string, and the another substring uh, other than the 0th character will be same. So substring of 1. Okay, we'll be printing from 1 to till the last element. Okay, or the size of string minus 1 element, and I'll be printing the value or the printing the resulting string. It is res and close. Okay, now let me run this program. We'll be checking it for 2 test cases. Okay, let us take 3 test cases here. And the first one is all the characters are not capital letters. Okay, for all small letters used here, we have got the desired output. And let me run it once again and check for test case 2. That will be random words, okay, with starting letter small letter, and I'll be running the program, and we can see the first letter is capitalized and we have got the desired output. And the next element other than capitalized or the other than starting element, remaining all the other characters are same. And let me check it for test case 3. Mm, for all capital letters, or let us take starting with a capital letter to random letter, we can see it remains same. Hope you like this. Hope you understood the solution and hope you like the video. I have tried to make it as concise and informative as possible. Please do like, share, and subscribe and keep learning. Thank you.